So creamy and delicious, you'd never guess how easy it is to make. We start with half an onion. Cut it into very small cubes, and don't rush this part. The more delicate the pieces, the more evenly the flavor will blend into the sauce. The onion is the base of everything it brings: sweetness, aroma, and depth. Now, in a skillet, add a generous drizzle of olive oil. Spread it well, then add 6 tomatoes, distributing them across the entire surface. In the center, place the onion we just chopped. It's like building the heart of our sauce. Cover and let it cook. Meanwhile, bring a pot of water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, add salt. Add the tagliatelle, stir during the first few minutes so it doesn't stick, and let it cook. Notice how it becomes tender, yet still firm. Then set it aside. Back to the tomatoes. They should now be very soft. Remove the skins, they come off easily after cooking. Then mash everything right in the skillet until you form a rustic, rich sauce. It's incredible to see the transformation happen, from simple pieces to a vibrant, colorful sauce. After draining the tagliatelle, add it straight into the sauce and mix well, coating every strand in that fresh tomato base. Now comes the creaminess. Add 6.8 fluid ounces of heavy cream and stir. The sauce becomes velvety, smoother, and irresistible. And then, the best part, mozzarella. Add as much as you like, and watch it begin to melt and blend into the sauce. This is the moment that makes everyone want a second serving. To finish, season with cilantro to taste, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything gently, letting the flavors come together. Now it's ready to serve. To make the dish even more beautiful, top it with a little more mozzarella and some fresh cilantro. It looks colorful, appetizing, and worthy of applause. And I guarantee you, after you try this fried tomato tagliatelle, you'll want to make it again. Simple, creamy, and full of flavor. So save this recipe, share it with someone who loves pasta, and tell me what you think.